In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use Similarity Search with the re-identification feature on our Wisenet 9 cameras to easily track a person's complete movement path across the monitored areas. Let's start by searching for people. The initial search, set for the last 12 hours, yields no objects. We need to expand the search time range. Yes, now we see some results, some men and women, around 7:20 in the evening. When you click on the target subject, you'll see the associated clips. But what we want to know is where he came from and where he went after this 7:20 p.m. event. So let's run a similarity search by clicking the icon. In Similarity Search, you'll get a number of hits. You can see the man, but also a woman who looks similarly dressed and other people with less confidence for similarity. That means we've expanded the search too much. Let's dial the confidence level until the results are appropriate. Alright, let's change the sort option to oldest first. At 6:50 p.m., he first entered the facility. At 6:51, he walked through that door. The first thing he did was grab boxes, and then he walked back out. He turned his back to the door to open it, which makes sense since his hands were full. That was at 6:52. Now at 7:18 p.m., he came back and appears to dangle something over there. That looks a bit odd. Let's export that video clip to see what he did there. Okay, click Show in folder, then open the file. Alright, it's an extension cord, or some kind of cord for the vacuum cleaner. He's just plugging it in. That makes sense. Coming back here at 7:18, he plugged it in. He walked out, and then he came through with the vacuum cleaner. Here at 7:21, he's vacuuming. It looks like he spent 2 to 3 minutes vacuuming this area, and now he's walking out. The last time he was caught on any of the cameras was 7:23 p.m., concluding his 33-minute presence in and out of the facility. And that is how you use Similarity Search with the re-identification feature to quickly and efficiently track a person's full path within your facility.